I think a better question to ask is, what does this film mean to you? That's part of the thing that I really like about it. I feel like this is another question that I always get a different answer for when I ask people. I feel like people always take something different away because it's so abstract, right? This film is a bit unusual in that it doesn't really give you firm answers on everything that's going on. I imagine it seems like like according to what I'm reading here, it seems like it's more straightforward in the manga, and it gives you more information on other characters and like what Umi and Sora actually were. But I think I actually like the film in the vague state that it takes, because it makes it almost like a personal experience, right? For me, I guess I relate most, or I guess I related at one point most to the state of mind that Ruka has. I think there was a time when I felt invisible, like she does, or like I imagine she does. And seeing her go through all of this and seeing all the parallelism of like human beings being identical to universes, it makes me feel like every individual in some way is really important, you know? And it brings me a sense of comfort to think that like even if I feel really small, I'm still very important, and I'm still like a grand creation. Like to exist at all is one of the craziest things you can do. To be born in the first place is one of the most beautiful acts of creation imaginable. So that's what the movie means to me. It means like it means that everybody is important, and like we are all just as grand as the universe. To me, what the film makes me think about, among many things, it makes me think about a lot of stuff because it's such an abstract film. Among many other things, it makes me think a lot about like the scale and the worth of a human, just any human, and it makes me feel that humanity is really important, and that like any human is beautiful, and that like being born in the first place is already enough to be worthy of attention. Isn't quite the right word. It's such a hard thing to articulate. I think I've mentioned a couple times today that I struggle to articulate in words what this movie makes me feel and think, but to put it into short words, I guess it makes me feel more important, and it makes me appreciate the fact that I've been born, I guess, and like it makes me appreciate, but not necessarily appreciate in the sense of like thankful for it, but appreciate more in the sense of like really processing and understanding it, right? It makes me appreciate the value of other people as well. And like God, it's so hard to put into words, but it makes me think a lot about humanity. You know, I have my own radical beliefs about humanity. I've gotten into those a couple times before, but I don't know. It just kind of affirms a belief I already have, that humanity is beautiful and that humans are beautiful. It's a tough one. Such a beautiful film, though. Thank you so much for watching it with me.